The problem of acne has always been annoying for many people, but in addition to using cosmetic products, you can also follow simple steps to take care of your skin and keep it clean and healthy. Hello, do you also suffer from the annoying problem of acne? In this video, I will share with you some effective ways to remove acne from the face without the need for chemical products. First, you can use a cotton pad dampened with warm water and place it on the pimples for 10 minutes. This helps to open the pores and facilitate the process of removing the pimples. Then, you can use natural tea tree oil and apply it directly to the pimples. Tea tree oil has antibacterial properties that help treat acne and prevent its recurrence. Finally, don't forget the importance of daily cleanliness to keep your skin healthy and clean. Washing your face with water and soap regularly and using a non-greasy moisturizer can help prevent acne. Now, here are some solutions on how to prevent acne and the appropriate diet to avoid its occurrence. First and foremost, daily skincare cleanliness is vital to prevent acne. Make sure to gently clean your skin using a suitable cleanser for your skin type. What about diet? There are some foods you can consume to improve your skin health and prevent acne. Avoid fatty foods, fried foods, and excessive sugars, and replace them with fresh foods, vegetables, and fruits. In addition, good sleep is important for skin health. Try to get 7 to 8 hours of sleep each night to renew skin cells and prevent acne. In addition, good sleep is important for skin health. Try to get 7 to 8 hours of sleep each night to renew skin cells and prevent acne. Remember, skincare starts from within. Follow these tips to achieve healthy, acne-free skin. Always remember that maintaining a healthy diet and drinking enough water can enhance your skin's health. I hope you find these tips helpful. Thank you for watching.